Welcome everyone, can know about the Vaseline winter hacks? The Vaseline petroleum jelly used worldwide for the various purposes in skincare and beauty. Can you imagine by adding some ingredients in Vaseline jelly make amazing formulation? All the hacks are very quick and easy, so let's make it. Put some Vaseline jelly in bowl and add some beetroot juice and mix well. And they are turns into beautiful lip tint and cheek tint. Put some Vaseline jelly in bowl and add some aloe vera gel. Add some glycerin. Mix well all the ingredients by continuous shaking. After some time, this turns into beautiful moisturizing cream. This moisturizing cream used as a various purpose, used as a hand cream, moisturizing cream. Put some Vaseline jelly and add some honey and mix it. And they are turns into lip mask. These masks are used as overnight lip mask for dry and chapped lips. Put some Vaseline jelly in bowl and mix with sugar and some rose water and mix well. These are used as a lip scrub. Put some Vaseline jelly and mix with coconut oil. These are used as a cuticle oil for nail growth and strong nails, and also used as a hair mask for dry and frizzy hairs. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more such a type of videos.